Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and we have just installed our Covercraft PrecisionFit Endura seat covers in our Ford Transit Connect van. And as you can see here, just a nice looking seat cover that fits right over the existing factory seats nicely. It's a full cover seat protection, meaning the front and back of this seat is completely covered. The front, all the way underneath this seat has nice coverage on it. These are waterproof and spill proof, meaning if you spill your Coke on the seat, it's not going to soak into the cushion. You're just going to be able to wipe it away nice and easily and protect your van. This is the charcoal color with a black tone on the inside. You can get it in kind of this dual tone coloring, or you can get it in a solid color. Got a bunch of different colors to choose from. Comes with the headrest cover here, which is nice and easy to put on, as well as this little console armrest cover, which if you live in your van all day and you're having lots of lunches and sweating in here, this can get kind of dirty and grimy. So it's nice to have that protective cover here in the van. The backs of these seat covers actually have a little pocket in here that you can store stuff in. I don't know if you can see that very well, but just a nice little feature there from our Covercraft seat covers here. These have a 1-year warranty on them, meaning if there's any defects or anything wrong with them, they're going to replace it. Or if you happen to tear through it with a screwdriver in your pocket or whatever that is, they're going to take care of that. The thing about these seat covers is they are precision cut, sewn to fit your specific year, make, model, variation of seat. So for example, our Transit Connect here has the fold flat seat in the passenger side. And so there's a little handle here that they have to make a cutout for. Oops, I got that jammed nice and good. And on this side, we have our lumbar support they have to cut a hole for. So you're going to make sure that you choose your year, make, model, and style seat and all that if you want these seat covers. It's going to be pretty universal for most seat covers out there. These are, there we go, designed for specific vans, so it's going to give you a nice protection of the seat and enhance just the overall quality when you're sitting in here, as well as protecting the investment of your van that you make in your business. So if you're looking for these seat covers, any other seat covers, or anything else to upfit your van to make sure that it is work ready, check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.